Wow! Wasn't that great, guys? Yeah, Train Boy 54. We enjoyed every one of them. Let's watch it again. That's a great idea, Percy. Guys, we just saw it. Maybe tomorrow. Hey, what are you guys doing? You didn't tell me you were watching the movie? Can I watch too? Toby, we just finished. Show's over. No problem. You're just gonna have to start over again. Toby! Hey, every engine! We're gonna watch the movie! Oh, jeez. Hey, I brought extra butter. Hey, you guys are watching the movie? Don't suppose you got room for more engines? What the? Who's this crowd? Hey! Down in front! Watch it! Oh! Oh! Ow! Okay, you guys win. Sure you don't mind, Mr. 54? Hakuna Matata. It's good to do a movie review after we watch this over again.
Ismételje meg! Hol vannak pontosan, Péter?